All right, guys, we are 2017 Mercedes GLE 65. I think it was 63. This one is the AMG. So we're gonna be changing today. Not much video online. We're gonna be changing the AC compressor valve with control AC. Sometimes if your AC not working, this not working to control the valve. So we're gonna show you how to change this. And guys, if you have to change this by the dealer, you have to take out the pump because you can't get a way in to take this out. So I'm gonna show you a trick I did. First, we're gonna go underneath the car. And guys, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Check out some of my videos and let's get right into it. So first, you take off the shield there, and then guys, you pull this connection right there down. You take out the number 8 bolt. You could use and get this down, and you look through right here, and there it is right there, guys. So I use the pick to take the connection off like this. Like you could use it to take the connection off, and you pop it off, and then it have a seal O-ring on top of it. Guys, you gotta work with that. So again, you need a pick to pick that with a screwdriver, and there it is, guys. If you have to get to that, guys, you gotta take out the pump. So sometimes that's bad for AC compressor, so it's stuck closed or stuck open, whatever, and it's not making your AC blow cold. This could be it, guys. So hope this helps you guys. Well, let me go show you. That's it right there. I end up spinning it to the side, and I'm gonna pop it right out. This is a 2017 GLE 63. So this is the Mercedes, and then we're gonna use this pick right here. Guys, you gotta do a little bit of pulling and tugging, and then use a little bit of pull. Guys, make sure the AC is out, right? And then it pops right out, just like this. See, guys? So make sure AC don't have any pressure inside, guys. I have to do a little bit of digging and spinning to get it out, but it's out, as you can see. No AC inside. That's why it don't make any problem. But you can get it from here, guys. Just gonna be a little bit awkward to get back in the pin and clip, but I show with a little bit of trust and a little bit of movement, you can get it in. So we're gonna be doing this on the bench press and testing this, and I'm gonna show you that in the next video. This is just to show you that you can do it on top of the car too. So this is it, and that's okay. That's your replacement. That's your replacement parts right there. Cheers, guys. So this is the new part, and that's your replacement, guys. We get this parts online. We don't know if it's a good brand. Injector parts and solenoid and all that stuff. This video is not sponsored by Osaram. So parts is the same, identical. Just checking to make sure. This one have a hole in the top there. This one have the hole in the top there too. So identical parts, guys. I mean, this one look a little taller, but we see it good. Looks like the part. Look like this one is bigger, guys. So, but as you say, guys, this is just how to remove it and go from there. Looks like we have the wrong part because I think this one looks bigger to me. As you can see, looks a little bit bigger, the diameter. So I don't think this one could work, but we go from there. So guys, if you're new to the channel, guys, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching, and if you have any more stuff you want to see, anything you want to see, but you can get this out from the car without taking out the whole AC pump and the without taking up all the radiator and all that stuff on the front. So that's a crazy long job. As I said, it's a 2017 Mercedes GLE 63. So we get it out. We're gonna be testing it on the bench by doing some power tests on this one, like actuating the solenoid and see if we hear any clicking or anything going on in it. This just not the right one. Different size. So this one is not the right one. So sometimes that's how it is, guys. You get the right part sometimes, but this is the original part we need. We can't use this. But as I say, I'll give you another brief rundown again. You go underneath the car, take off your shield, you drop this part right here, drop the other side, bring it down, and then you can see your AC compressor there. And as you can see, guys, it's out already with a little bit of hard work and hard try. Look at right there. Connection off, guys. You take the connection off from the two sides. It have two clips on the two sides, so beware of those. Push it off and make sure the AC is not in the car, because if you have an AC in the car that have a lot of pressure in it, guys, it could cause damage to your eyes, to yourself. You don't want that. Make sure your AC is out and or your car don't have an AC. So before you do that, check, disconnect your line valve and get, if you have the machine, recover the AC, because you don't want to put the AC in the atmosphere. It's not safe, it's not healthy. Or if you get the valve out and you don't have, you check see if there are any leaks, anything inside. You just press and make sure nothing coming out, then you know a system is not active. So you can do, but don't disconnect your AC line, because it's dangerous, and it's dangerous for the atmosphere and your eyes. Protect your eyes at all time when you're using the Freon. It's high pressure and it could cause damage to yourself and to other people. So guys, always remember to work safe, and before you take this out, disconnect, make sure you recover your AC, and however you want to get it out, that's up to you, but make sure to do it in a safe manner. So I didn't get the right part, but I think I get the direction now I gotta go, and now we know. I'm gonna do some testing on this, because you have two wires, just like a solenoid. You click, click, click 12 volts and see what's going on. If nothing's going on and no movements of the plunger inside, then you know it's bad. But we're gonna change it anyway. We're not gonna put it back in even if it's good. We're gonna go to the next step. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.